macro season begins.
If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I have checked into Dattaji Salvi garden and we are going to go there for some macro photography. So let's get started. The Dattaji Salvi Garden is a small botanical garden located on the service road at Thane East. You can come here via train. So the nearest railway station is Thane East railway station. Come to the east side and you can take a rickshaw to reach the garden. Let's go inside and explore it. Let's get started. Timings of the garden are 6:30 to 9:30 a.m. in the morning and 4:30 to 7 p.m. in the evening. There is no entry fee.
I have set my camera to full manual mode, aperture f16, shutter speed 1/100, ISO 400, white balance cloudy, center weighted metering. I am using Nikon 105mm macro lens with a flash and beetle diffuser. There is so much life on one tree.
So guys, I had a lot of fun today at the garden and I clicked so many pictures. Hope you liked them. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Bye.